Hi everyone, I wanted to give a quick tip tutorial on the pivot table. This relates to the 1976 to 2020 presidential data exercise. So this pivot table has a grand total column, and this gets created by default when I add in columnar data. And sometimes, and in this instance, I'm actually going to want to hide this because I don't need to see a total across all years, because I want you to kind of take a step back and think about what the data is showing you here. And we can look at 2020 as an example. What this data is showing me here is that in 2020, Biden got 57% of the vote. This person, Joe Jorgensen, got 1%, and Donald Trump got 41% of the vote in New Jersey. In 2016, we see a different breakout. We see Hillary Clinton this time was a candidate. She got 55% of the vote. Trump got 41% of the vote, and Jill Stein got 1% of the vote. And then we also have Gary Johnson, who got 2% of the vote. So we're seeing different percentages in different years because they were different elections. And so this grand total column is really not very meaningful because we really have no reason to sum across years. So I actually want to hide this. I can do this in a couple of ways. First thing, I'm going to right click, and I can do remove grand total. And that just removes the grand total, and now I'm not showing something that is sort of meaningless. I instead am left only with the data that I want to see. The other thing you can do if you don't have your right click available to you is you can come into the design menu for the pivot table. You can go to grand totals, and you can say off for rows and columns, and that also gets rid of it. Okay, so it's important to know that you do have these extra options, and understanding how to use some of these menu items at the top and also what's available to you on the right click menu is important. Okay, so thanks so much, and keep in touch with questions. Thanks.